Good day. This is Madhu Kodidala, Passive Wealth Expert. Again, today I came with one new topic: how to become financially secure. So, how every individual willing to become financially free in their life, how to get the maximum information about financial freedom and the financial information of your individual criterias. What are all those things? It will impact your life when you manage every aspect of the prospects what I'm decoding today. So please have a look about the things so that you can able to grab every information in your life and scale your financial portion to the next level. How you need to manage and how you need to tackle the situations of exact financial criterias. So how, what are all those things? You want to learn about these things, no? Yes. Then just we go and dive the video. Definitely it will be useful and beneficial for you. So how to become a financially secure? So what is the major aspects of the financial secure? What are the golden nuggets of the financial treatment? I call it as a treatment, because if you know the treatment, how to manage and how to get out from that particular disease, definitely you can able to have a good health of our body. So same like that, whenever we have a knowledge about the things, whenever we have a clear visibility about the criteria what we need to involve in a daily basis and monthly basis, so definitely every grab the freedom in life in respect of, in terms of financially. So I decoded some points here. So if it is good as per my information, if it really involve every individual person, definitely they will scale the financial portion to the next level. That is damn sure what I given the informations today. So that is 100% sure what I'm talking about. So whenever we need to have such credibility towards the financial freedom, please don't skip this video and view the video till the end of the things, so that you will be see really happy and really get the good nuggets about financial matters. So I'm just sharing my screen to you so that you have a clear visibility about the things, what is exact meaning of a financial secure, how we need to become a financial secure. 1 minute. So here, first criteria is evaluate your situation. What is major scenarios of situations in present situation, like every individual having their own income criteria, whether it is salaried income or a business income or a self-employed income, whatsoever the income you have. So how much amount I'm earning every year, every month, and if it is salary person, every month the income is coming, or if it is a business person, or if it is any investor, how much amount you are getting every month. That is the major criteria. So how you are getting and what you are getting and in what terms the amount is coming from you, what are all the sources the exact amount is coming into your pocket, that is a matter. So you need to have a clear visibility how much amount you are getting. So and why the amount are reducing in a daily basis, that you need to have a clear visibility, so that you can have a clear picture about the things, a particular situation of expenses, particular situation about your financial status, particular situation about our where you are spending. These are all informations can be evolved in such a way where you can able to write down and where you can able to manage the money in a right way. So that's why I called it as a evolution of your situation. So and the live below your means, second criteria is live below your means. Why I call it live below below your means, because if we are earning 1 lakh rupee or 50,000 rupees every month, but how much you are spending on a daily basis. Suppose example I'll give you, when you are going to the supermarket or are going for any Reliance Trends and all, where for shopping along with your family, actually your plan is just purchase one shirt or one small as per your desired expenses of the particular thing. But unnecessary, if you have a credit cards, simply you are went for 1000 rupees or 2000 rupees shopping, unnecessary you have purchased 4000 and 5000 and 10,000 and 20,000 rupees. It is unnecessary. Without unknowingly you will purchase the things. Is it right? Just please rethink in these scenarios. Simply we are going for any departmental stores, purchasing for one something, unnecessary you are purchasing another things. That is the major issues, because our mind is fluctuating like anything. So that's why we will purchase the exact purchase the items what we not required. So if that means we need to have, whenever we are going to anything, whether you are going to department store or whether you are going to any shopping, you just have a clear return and purchase only that particular items only. Don't go beyond that. Have a clear goal about the particular expenses what you are going, so that you have a clear information about the things what you are purchasing, where you are purchasing, and what type of items you are purchasing for a monthly basis or a daily basis or weekly basis. So that matters a lot. So what is the lifestyle of yours, that matters. So please concentrate on us and leave about the extra criterias beside, so that I can give a clear information in the next week, in the next topics, in the next criterias even. So that's why I called it as a leave below your means and create and follow financial goals strictly. The third criteria is create and follow financial goals strictly. So have in the initial of the month itself, you just plan your financial goals. How much is your rent, how much is your expenses of entire thing, servant expenses. If you want exact information about these things, I created separate video in my YouTube channel. Please go and dive that video, so that you have a clear visibility about this financial goals matters. And then fourth one is have always financial security plan. Financial security, whenever any uncertainty happen, any medical emergency happen, then you need to have a separate fund for you for that those things. Always we believe that we have a credit cards, we can manage anything. So credit cards are there for you kill like anything. So please understand the financial security plan. Have at least 10 to 15%. Keep aside that amount of your income every month, where you don't touch that amount for future, till any uncertainty happen, any emergency happen. If you want separate things about this, exclusive video has been created in my YouTube channel. Please go and dive that video. And expenses monitoring. So the fifth criteria is expenses monitoring. What is expenses monitoring? Whether you are spending even 1 rupee, even 1 penny you are spending on a daily basis, you just write down exactly what you spend. If you spend 10 rupees for you purchased any bananas 30 rupees, you write that bananas purchased on the so and so date or on the so and so thing. You purchased any medicines like 200 rupees also, you just write down. You purchased any small thing also, just if you are going through auto, 30 rupees has been paid, you just write down that. If you are going through any expenses on a daily basis, whether you purchased a departmental stores expenses, grocery expenses, or for your servant expenses, or for any unnecessary necessary expenses like cable expenses, or for internet expenses or mobile bills expenses, whatsoever the expenses you are incurring on a daily basis, you need to write down, so that you have a clear visibility how much income you are spending on a monthly basis after seeing the next month consecutive month of first day. So that you have a clear visibility about the things of your expenses. That's why I monitor myself. I keep an excel in my mobile. Some separate excel sheet has been created for me. And if you want, just go and join my course of money management root analysis for wealth mala. There I have given decoded everything point to point and point to point, where you can scale your financial portion to the next level. So that is expenses monitoring. And debt payoff, and the next criteria is debt payoff. How you pay off your debt in a proper way, how you manage your debt in a right way, how you tackle your debt in a right way. I have been decoded everything in my digital course in my root analysis wealth model. I'm just giving my length. Please go and dive in that one, so that you have a clear visibility about the debt management. And save and research for alternative income. Always you need to have a multiple source of incomes. Multiple source of incomes. If you have a multiple source of incomes, definitely you can able to grab any information in your life, so that how you need to manage and how you need to get the money of other sources other than what current income of yours, whether you are a salaried person, business income, or any other income you are getting. So you just consider how your uh, thinking about the alternative income of compared to present income as of now what you are getting. So that matters a lot. So earn more money. I'll already given information to you. Invest in different streams of income. How much you are earning the income in every month, and how you are investing in it. Investing the money what you earn is a matters a lot. Just like that, we are getting 2 lakhs rupees, 5 lakhs rupees, 10 lakhs rupees every month, but how you are managing the money is a matters. I already given the information to you. How to manage that particular money is a matters. In which portfolio you are investing, where are the amount is going, whether you're investing in a secured funds, or whether you're investing in a mutual funds, or whether investing in a gold, or investing in sim. Ideally kept your amount in a bank accounts. That matters. Simply, if you want a clear visibility about things, I created separate video in this too also. Just go and dive in the YouTube channel of mine, Madhu Kodidala, so that you have a clear visibility about the different streams of income. Always consistent. Whatever the points I shared in these things, you need to have a clear information about the parameters of parameters of the income criterias, where we need to have a clear information about our own individual perception. So if we have a clear information about the parameters what I told you, please reconsider, rewire your brain, so that have a clear information, clear visibility about your expenses, clear visibility about income, clear visibility about your debt management. These are all the main criteria where you need to really work on, because every individual person will earn the money, but they don't know the how to manage the money properly. Because of only this reason, every individual will fall under most of the debts, most of falls under the credit cards, most credit cards debts even. So if you want to get out of all these informations, you need to be evaluate your skills in the space of wealth. You need to have a clear visibility of your expenses, of your income, and of your management of wealth. That matters a lot. So I hope this video is useful for you. If it is good, please subscribe my YouTube channel Madhu Kodidala, and like and share this video to your friends, so that it will be useful for others, so that they can enhance the skills in the space of wealth. So I'm giving my links in the description below of my VIP Facebook channel. I created VIP Facebook channel. Those who want to evaluate and enrich their skills in the space of wealth, only the particular group members are there. Only they need to enrich their skills in the space of wealth. That is root analysis for wealth and personality I created. Just go and dive in that separate VIP group channel has been created. Please go on that. Go and subscribe, and go and have a member in that particular thing, so that it will be beneficial for you, not for me. I'm there to help you, because you just have a clear information. And also please visit my website www.madhukodidala.com, so that you can have a clear information about my bio and everything. Thank you. Have a nice day. I'm Madhu Kodidala, passive wealth expert.